This is a $20 bike I bought on Craigslist. It's the Extreme MTX 747. It has a Starbucks holder, a ferocious Tiger Scratch paint job. It has a Shimano 18-speed gear system with thumb levers that, well, it actually only has 6 gears. And a fake leather saddle that's, experiencing some minor wear and tear. In short, it's time for a new bike. I bought this bike sight unseen on Kickstarter, and today I'm going to build it. This is a 2016 Shifty cycle. Time for a test ride.